Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create a clean professional presentation on Canva in about, roughly 20 minutes, give or take. And yeah, it's easier than you think. So let's get into it. So first, sign in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, you can create it really fast using email or Google. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top and just type presentation. Canva shows a bunch of templates you can start from. Now choose a template that matches the vibe you want. Business, education, minimal, whatever fits your topic. You can always change colors and fonts later, so don't stress about picking the perfect one right now. Inside the editor, you'll see all the slides on the left. You can add new ones, delete the ones you don't need, or switch layouts. Click any text to edit it. Just type in your content. And if you want images, Canva has a big library, so just search for what you want and drag it in. Super simple. If you want the whole presentation to match your brand, go to the top bar and change your colors, fonts, or apply a different theme. Canva has preset styles, or you can customize everything slide by slide. A little tip, keep it clean and avoid too many bright colors unless it fits your topic. Next, if you need icons, charts, or graphics, open the Elements panel. Search for something like arrow, checkmark, graph, whatever you need. For charts, you can edit the actual data. Just click the chart and type your numbers. It updates automatically, which is super convenient. And once everything looks good, hit the share button in the top right. From there, you can download the presentation as a PDF, a PowerPoint file, or just present directly from Canva. And yeah, that's the whole workflow. Simple, clean, and honestly pretty fast. All right, that's how you create a full presentation in Canva in about 20 minutes. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.